Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vinny Yang, the CEO of Moldex3D. The biggest event in the entire plastic industry, K 2022, is coming. We are very much looking forward to meeting everyone face to face at the exhibition. Since the last K 2019, we have seen the layout of major manufacturers in sustainable development and smart manufacturing. When more and more international environmental policies are being promoted, enterprises are driven to move in the direction of green recycling and sustainable operation. Therefore, circular economy with other related issues such as smart design, smart manufacturing, low carbon production, PCR materials, etc., will continue to ferment. Moldex3D has nearly 30 years of experience in assisting customers in product design. The accumulation of these rich experiences has been transformed into our valuable think tank and software capabilities. Our mission is to provide the leading simulation-driven solutions for smart design and manufacturing. Therefore, we are eager to bring these experiences to our customers to help them solve various problems encountered in the product development stage, thereby improving customers' profitability and position in the industrial value chain, and enable customers to deliver world-class products by innovative solutions. This time at the K 2022 exhibition, we are very excited to show you the latest and complete product lines of Moldex3D 2022. In addition to the various advanced molding process simulation enhancements, we will also reveal the results of our deep cultivation in smart manufacturing. Definitely worth a visit. Our booth is at Hall 13A94, and I wish all of you a successful visit to K 2022. Thank you.